All right, I'm gonna give you a look inside my Amazon affiliates account. Some people call it Amazon Associates account. I'm gonna show you what kind of products you probably should sell to increase your profits. Let's look here at my Amazon. I'm gonna just show you here. As you can see, this week in 7 days, I made $64.56, which is not much, but it's good for gas for the week. But let me show you something here on my account. I'm gonna show you what I sold this week. Like it says, I had 35 items ordered and 30 was shipped. So let's go down here and we're gonna go to my earnings. And you look right here, I just sorted from greater to less. I'm gonna hit it again. It'll go from lowest to greatest. You see right here, these probably was being returned. The customer didn't want them. So I'm gonna just show you something here. As you can see, I made $23 on this, $23.13, and product costs $514. But I want you to pay attention to these two right here. You notice that this cost the customer $193, and I made $15.44 on it. And this right here cost the customer $310, and I only made half of that. Let me show you the reason why. Let's go right here to fees. If you sell something that's a luxury, beauty, and Amazon coins, you get 10% off of the sale. So if it costs $100, you make $10. But if you go down here, if you sell some physical video games, you only get 1%. So if the customer buys something that costs $100, you only get $1. As you can see, you want to stay with stuff over 5% or higher. And let's go back. I'm going to show you. Here go how you can tell. Say for instance, let's look at this one right here. You notice that it costs $193 and I made $15 off of it. So that's like at 8%. So if I click on it, what it is, it's a mattress. And you can look in this corner right here where it says Amazon Home. That's where you tell what category it's in, because it's a dark color, it's bold. So if I look at my homes right here, home furniture and everything, it's 8%. So if we look at this again, we're gonna look at this one where I only made $7. I'm gonna click on it, and you notice it's a computer. It's labeled as computer. It's bold. So if I go here and look at computers, you notice that my computer's probably is at maybe 2%. Let's see, where's computers? Right here, PCs, computers. You know, it says 2.50%. And to calculate your percentage, let's pull up a calculator. Let's look at this. It costs, we're gonna do this one right here. I made $7.75 divided by 310 equals, so that's 2.5%. That's all I got paid off of that one. So let's go up to the next one. Let's see this thing. We're gonna do this one right here. We're gonna clear it. I made $15.44 divided by 193. 193 equals, I made 8% off of that. So you want to sell stuff like furniture and everything. So if I look right here, if you can sell stuff in the 8%, you'll make a little bit more money. When you start dealing with TVs and physical games, you're only making a small percentage. So that's how you can determine how much money you're gonna make. Like I said, I can click on any of these products right here, click on it, and you look here to the top. You see where it's bold? That's where you could find out what category it is in. Before you leave, subscribe, hit the like, turn on the notifications, also share and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.